Hello? Oh, where am I? Oh, I must be in the middle of the Florida land boom. And just after 1926 because we've got the security building. The security building is the only French Empire style building in downtown Miami. What is French Empire style? Well, it's an eclectic style of architecture that uses ornate details alongside modern frameworks such as glass skylights. Let's go take a closer look. French Empire style mixes the old with the new, and some examples include the Gare Du Nord in Paris. Robert Greenfield, the architect, only had a 50-foot frontage to work with, so he made it as grand as possible with an almost temple-like base using the first 3 floors of the building. Other embellishments that Greenfield added were a carved entablature with the name Security Building on it, a granite-clad entry, and an 8-sided cupola. And what is a cupola? Well, it is a small dome adorning a roof. In 2010, it was converted into multi-use residential and commercial development, but that didn't last long because in 2017, the building was converted into office spaces. We are on air and you can catch this live at my next Locals Only tour, which is happening very soon. Click the link in my bio for more information. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Miami Mondays. I'm Caro, the tour guide.